Let's learn the names of construction vehicles. This is excavator, a heavy machine with long arm used for digging and lifting soil. This is bulldozer, a powerful vehicle that pushes soil, sand and debris. This is dump truck, a truck that carries and tips out loose materials like sand. This is cement mixer, a vehicle that mixes cement, sand and water together. This is crane, a tall machine used to lift and move heavy objects. This is backhoe loader, a machine with a loader in front and digger at the back. This is road roller, a heavy vehicle used to flatten and smooth roads. This is stick steer, a small machine that turns easily in tight spaces. This is grader, a machine used to level and smooth the ground. This is paver, a machine that spreads asphalt to build smooth roads. This is forklift, a vehicle used to lift and move heavy loads. This is telehandler, a lifting machine with a long, extendable arm. This is articulated hauler, a dump vehicle that carries loads on rough land. This is tower crane, a tall crane used in building high structures. This is trailer truck, a truck that pulls a large trailer for carrying goods. This is scraper, a machine that cuts, collects and moves soil. This is trencher, a machine that digs narrow trenches in the ground. This is utility truck, a service vehicle used for repair and maintenance work. This is pile driver, a machine that longs poles deep into the ground. This is asphalt milling machine, a machine that removes old road surface layers.